There is nothing better than homemade soup to warm you up on a cold winter's day, and by making it from scratch, you can control the amount of sodium and saturated fat it contains while adding nutrient-rich ingredients like vegetables and low-fat milk and cheese. I'm going to show you how to prepare a soup that I love to make on cold days, this broccoli and cheddar soup. Start by setting a Dutch oven or large skillet over medium-high heat and add buttery spread. Once melted, add chopped onion and celery and sauté until slightly softened. Next, sprinkle flour over the onion and celery and stir well to coat. Whisk in milk and pour in vegetable stock, stirring to mix. Using low-fat milk in place of whole milk or cream and stock in place of broth helps to make this a better-for-you option when it comes to creamy soups. Now we're ready to add chopped broccoli and shredded carrots. Feel free to use frozen broccoli florets in place of fresh for a time-saving shortcut. When the soup begins to boil, cover, reduce heat, and simmer until broccoli softens about 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. For the final step, we'll mix in shredded cheddar cheese. Stir until smooth, adjust with salt and pepper to taste, and ladle into bowls to serve. To find the full recipe for my broccoli and cheddar soup, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.